Hello kids, we are learning about the water resources. So today let's see about other topics. So first let us see about the dams. So where the water is collected. So what do you mean by dams? So dams means it is a big structure which is built across a river. So dam means what? It is a big structure which is built across a river. Why it is built? To hold back its water in a reservoir. So dam means it is a structure built across a river to hold back its water in a reservoir. So what is reservoir? So reservoir, it is a place where water is kept in store. So reservoir means what? It is a place where water is kept in store. So, a dam are built on rivers to hold back the water in a reservoir behind the dam. So, can you see the picture here? It is a dam. So, dams are built on a river. Why it is built? To hold back the water in a reservoir. Reservoir behind the dam. So behind this dam, reservoir is there. Reservoir means where the water is kept in store. So when there is a shortage of water, from this reservoir they will leave the water. So you can see where the water is left. So from the back of this dam there is a reservoir where water is kept in store. When there is a shortage of water, they will open the door of this dam. From the reservoir they will get this water. So these reservoirs fill up during the monsoon month. So behind this the reservoir is there. This reservoir will fill up during the rainy season. So this control floods in the river. So during the monsoon season, if there is a flood, this reservoir will collect all the water. So this will control the floods. So this water is used for irrigation during the time when there is shortage of water. So when there is a shortage of water, this water is used for irrigation during the time when there is a shortage of water. When there is shortage of water, from the reservoir they leave the water to the dam. So can you see in the picture? So it is a dam. So you can see there water are collected in the reservoirs. So when there is no water, they will leave the water from the reservoir. You can see the water is collected in the reservoir. When during the summer season, they will leave the water from the this reservoir to the dams. So the force of water, you can see here the force of water as it flows down from the reservoir, it is used to generate electricity. When the water is left from the reservoir, the water will be coming in a force. So this flowing down from the reservoir, this water is used to generate electricity. So this electricity generated from the force of water is called hydroelectricity. So the electricity which is generated from this force of water, this is called as hydroelectricity. So since dams are useful in so many different ways, they are called multi-purpose projects. So dams are used in so many ways. So this it is called as a multi-purpose projects. So some major dams in our country are Bakranangal Dam in Punjab, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam in Telangana, and Farakka Barrage in West Bengal, and the Hirakud Dam in Odisha. It is more useful from the dams because the farmers will get water during the summer season. So but some countries they discourage this dams. Let's see why. So however big dams are being discouraged all over the world now. Why means because this environmentalist claims that they cause environmental problem. they displace the large number of people living in the reservoir area of the dam. So during the monsoon season, this reservoirs will be full. So those who are living near this dam, the people should vacate their places during the monsoon season. So it will be difficult for the people. So it will displace the large number of people living in the reservoirs area of the dams. It will lead to the problem for the people those who are living near the dam. So they also destroy animals and plant life in the area. So during the monsoon, this will destroy the even animals and plant life in the areas. Even some scientists feel that large reservoirs can cause earthquakes in the some areas. So even scientists believe that large reservoirs means, you know, that the place where water is kept in store. So according to the scientists, the places where the water is kept in store in large number, it will lead to earthquakes in some areas. So according to the scientists, they feel that large reservoirs means a place where water is kept in store, this will lead to earthquakes in some areas. So these are the disadvantages of the dams. So next is tanks and ponds. So in place where it is difficult to dig wells, people often use tanks and ponds to collect rainwater. So the water will be collected in ponds and tanks. So in places where it is difficult to dig wells, so people use tanks and ponds to collect rainwater. So this rainwater will collect in tanks and ponds where there is difficult to dig a well. So next is rainwater harvesting. So what do you mean by rainwater harvesting? So rainwater harvesting, it is a good method of saving rainwater from flowing away. So rainwater harvesting, it is a good method of saving rainwater. So you can see in the picture. So rainwater falling on the roofs of the building, and the ground is allowed to flow into a deep hole dug in the ground. So this rainwater will fall to the roof of the building, and through the pipes it will flow into the ground, which is deep hole which is dug inside the ground. So it will add to the groundwater. So it will preserve the water inside the ground. So this will add to the groundwater. This water will add to the groundwater. So this is called a rainwater harvesting. So it will improve the groundwater. So water will be not wasted during the monsoon season. So water is truly a wealth. So water is very truly a wealth to the living being. So every drop of it is very precious. We should not waste water. So this is all about water. Thank you.